Today I have an interesting story for you. Our story name is The Secret of the Wise Parrot. In a peaceful jungle, a parrot named Rumi was known for his wisdom. Every animal came to him with problems, and he always had a right advice. One day, a young monkey asked, "How do you always know the right answer?" Rumi smiled. "I listen more than I speak, and I think before I act." The monkey tried this, and soon he became wise too. And the moral of our story is listening and thinking before acting lead to wisdom. Thank you.